What we're about to share with you is game-changing. I honestly wish the amazing power of ChatGPT was available when I first started my career as a young engineer. This tool will revolutionize your troubleshooting skills, enabling you to make faster analyses and smarter decisions, all in record time. Say goodbye to repeated breakdowns. Master troubleshooting in minutes, not hours. Turbocharge your diagnostic skills. What if I told you that AI could help you identify the root cause of breakdowns faster and more accurately than ever before? Okay, are you ready? All you have to do is take a picture of the component and submit it to ChatGPT. Prompt ChatGPT to analyze the part for failure. Let's try a live demo. I've loaded my picture to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will analyze the image in seconds. Include as much information regarding the part. What it is, what the concerns are, if there were any visible indicator from the failure, such as a leak, noise, vibration, etc. The more information you provide, the better ChatGPT will be able to assist with narrowing down the root cause of the failure. All right, engineers, that's a wrap. What we shared with you is simple, but incredibly powerful, just like your membership. If you found value in what you saw, don't forget to give us a like, share this content with your peers, and subscribe for more. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.